Welcome back to our channel, For You Education if you're new here, and I'm thrilled to have you join our educational community. Today, I want to take a few moments to give you a proper introduction to our channel and what you can expect from us. At For You Education, our mission is to make learning engaging, accessible, and fun. We believe that knowledge is power, and we're passionate about empowering you with valuable insights and skills that will benefit you in various aspects of life. Whether you're a student looking to ace your exams, a professional seeking to upgrade your skills, or simply someone with a curious mind eager to explore new subjects, you've come to the right place. Our channel covers a wide range of topics, ensuring there's something for everyone. Our content is carefully crafted to provide you with clear explanations, practical examples, and visual aids that facilitate your understanding. We strive to break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making them accessible and enjoyable for learners of all levels. Another exciting feature of our channel is the interactive aspect. We value your feedback and questions, and we encourage you to actively participate in the learning process. We have a vibrant community of learners who share ideas, ask questions, and engage in insightful discussions in the comments section. To ensure you never miss out on our latest videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content, keeping you ahead of the curve. Thank you for tuning in today and learning more about our educational YouTube channel. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we can't wait to embark on this learning journey together. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, knowledge truly is the key to unlocking endless possibilities. Until next time, take care, and happy learning.